If you're a beginner struggling to speak the language, because apps and YouTube videos just don't get you speaking, just imagine, what if you could go from barely squeaking out a hello to basic conversational fluency in the next 25 days and in just 15 minutes a day? Well, that's exactly what you get with our new Basic Conversational Fluency 2.0 25-Day Challenge, where you'll learn and master the 25 most common everyday conversations in 25 days. The best part? You'll have a teacher who'll answer your questions and keep you on track. But there are only 50 spots and enrollment ends March 31st. So click the link in the description to learn more and enroll today. Now, how does this 25-day challenge work? If you've been dreaming of speaking the language, this challenge is designed to help you do just that in a focused 25-day sprint. Starting April 1st and until April 25th, you'll get one new lesson a day, where you'll listen to a quick dialogue between real native speakers and get every word slowed down and explained. You'll get tested on what you've learned to boost retention. You'll practice with the practice activities, and you'll get teacher guidance along the way, all in just 15 minutes a day. By the end of the 25 days, you'll speak and understand basic conversations. You'll also have lifetime access to the lessons if you want to go at your own pace. So, if you're a beginner dreaming of speaking the language, then this challenge is for you. So join now before enrollment closes on March 31st or all spots are taken. Just click the link in the description to learn more and enroll today.